Hi, my name is Robyn Anderson, but my friends call me Jam. I'm here today because I've been getting this question so many times from my members and just friends, so I thought I'd address it here in a video. So if I had to burn it all down and just start over, I want to show you the exact tool set that I would use and also AI systems that I would set up. Just last month, I had Sabrina Ramanov over in a Club Jam chat. And her and I were kind of talking about how we're jealous of people who are just starting out now because we're spending so much time coming off of platforms so that we can build an AI OS, like an ecosystem that is fully automated while we're the humans in the loop. So if I was starting from zero and I had to rebuild my entire business to hit like $100,000 a year, and let's say I'm a coach or consultant or even doing sales or marketing, here are some of the things that I would use. And I actually did not just throw this into AI, by the way, guys. I took notes. I was thinking about this because I did not want to miss anything. So you're going to love this. You're not going to need a stack of 40 tools. We are whittling those tools down because Claude has become kind of like our foundation. And so let's go through the 5 things that I think a business should actually run on. And just so you guys know, if we haven't met before, I am actually using these tools and I have been able to match my salary and surpass my salary in just 6 months. So here we go. Number 1, Claude. Claude is not my co-founder, Claude is not just my tool, it is my co-founder. So Claude does everything from chat with me about strategy, come up with content ideas, but it also builds things for me. So it builds websites, it builds outbound sequences, and it's connecting to all of these other tools that I use, which I will get into. But I just want you to get this level set that I am a solo founder doing 6 figures a year, and I think everybody else can as well with Claude. Number 2, I'm new to Substack and I wish I wasn't. I set it up a long time ago and I never leaned fully into it. Here's why I think Substack is the perfect place for your newsletter. SEO, GEO, AEO, I can't say it enough. So if you're using something like Go High Level or Kit or Kajabi or whatever your MailChimp, whatever you're sending those emails on, you're writing these beautiful emails and you're sending them out and they hit the inbox and then they're gone forever. Whereas on Substack, you're sending the emails, they hit the inbox, and then they live on your Substack website or page where people can access your information. And also, it's now indexed by ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and you're sending more information out on the web. So Substack will help you expand your digital footprint. Skool. I have been creating courses and communities for a long time now. I've tried all of them, Circle, Kajabi, Go High Level, random proprietary ones, and thank you for all of my Club Jam members who have followed me through these multiple platform switches. We are not switching again. There is a platform called Skool, and if you haven't heard about it, go check it out. It was built by Sam Owens, and Alex Hermosi is a big investor and big part of it. And again, just like Substack, it is a place where you can create your community, create your courses, host live events, live meetings, but it's also indexing you. And they have their own discoverability, like their search, and they're recommending people to come join Club Jam. So that's been an amazing thing, and I really love the Skool platform. Stripe. Stripe is an amazing tool because it has that MCP. So what that means is that you can connect it into Claude and create these financial dashboards so you can see exactly what you're making and where it's coming from. The other thing I like about Stripe is that it's widely used by multiple other affiliates and communities. And so if you were to be doing, like I do one-on-one meetings via Calendly, and when people book me, they just pay through Stripe. Or I'm doing some sort of affiliate marketing here and there for platforms that I truly believe in, they can just pay me through Stripe and have my own portal. So it's super easy to set up for whatever your products might be. All right, so let's talk about marketing. This is where small business owners, coaches, consultants, we all get hung up because it's like, I don't know what to post this week. Well, number one, Claude will help you create your posting calendar, your cadence and ideas, and you can create a skill around that. Once it's time to post, please learn from my mistakes because I leaned into TikTok too hard when I should have been leaning into Instagram. So there's two things that I do. So I will create, edit, and post my reels on Instagram. And then from there, I have something called repurpose.io that will push it to these other platforms for me. So that is something I wish I did instead of doing TikTok to Instagram. And the reason is that there is a tool called ManyChat, which is not listed here. And ManyChat is the thing that really helps with automation, driving people to my Skool community. So if you see posts where I say like comment AI below, follow, comment this or that, they are then going into a ManyChat automation. TikTok currently doesn't support the comments, they only support DMs. So it's a little bit of a tricky situation. But this mixture here from all my studies is exactly what the big dogs are doing in marketing for social media. And I just wish I knew this a year ago because I have been posting consistently like crazy, but in the wrong spot. So learn from my mistakes. Don't post directly to don't post directly to TikTok. Focus on Instagram if you are a coach, consultant, marketing person. If you are selling products and doing affiliate product videos, TikTok all the way, go do it. But if you are a services business, focus on Instagram. Okay, so this is where it gets super fun because I'm doing a Zero to Claude training in Club Jam. So if you're a Club Jam member, you know what this is all about. But those are kind of the tools I use outside of Claude. And now everything else, I need an MCP for inside Claude. And so some of those tools I just mentioned do have MCPs, but like Substack doesn't and Skool doesn't. And I actually think that's okay. And here's why. Substack and Skool are both personality and community generators. And so my community wouldn't be as fun if we had all these automated posts going on. I love that it's real life. And if you see a post from me or a comment from me, it's actually from me. It's not Claude. And so this is one thing where I really like being the human in the loop and running those elements. Same thing on Substack. Obviously, I have Claude help me write my actual newsletters, but you have the ability to post on Substack too. And that's just another way to like show your personality, share your actual thoughts, not AI's. Okay. So here's the part nobody sees. There is something called Vercel. So if you go to Claude and then look in connectors, there's something called Vercel that you could set up. And Vercel will actually host and build your website. So say you're in Claude Code or Claude Cowork and you build a website page or a landing page. Well, oftentimes people have to copy that code and then carry it over to their Squarespace or their Go High Level or wherever they're hosting their website. Well, if you had to burn my business down or if I was starting a new business, I would just buy my domains and set up Vercel and just have Claude build it. And so that way, if I needed a new landing page, all I'm doing is going to Cowork or Code and saying, hey, I need a new landing page for my webinar coming up. Let's build it. And then once it's done, I'll publish it and it's live. So that is something that I wish I did and something that I'm trying to migrate everything over towards. Apollo.io is really an amazing tool. I'm new to it somewhat, but I'm already blown away. It is also a connector inside Claude, and it is a business development agent to say the least. It's actually an agent. I've been in business development for 20 years. I've been selling services, websites, everything from $50 items to six-figure huge builds. And Apollo.io does everything that I ever did as a business development director, from researching and finding your ICP, validating them after you find them. So I said, hey, go find 100 people that would join Club Jam based on a bunch of, other elements around my ideal client profile. So once it finds those, I say, now find 35 that'll actually convert and tell me why. So it'll research each person. Are they active online? Are they a LinkedIn user? Because that's a signal that they will be a better Club Jam member. From there, it also creates multiple sequences. And so if you have more than one offer, you can build multiple sequences. But the cool part is that it's not actually a template. It's actually Claude inside Apollo. So Apollo's inside Claude, Claude's inside Apollo. And what I mean by that is I can give an overall idea. So the idea is, hey, 2% of people are using AI the right way. Let me help you get your AI OS set up in Club Jam. Join for 7 days free. That's kind of my thing. So that's what I told Apollo. Now it takes Claude and it says, hey, create this message, but for this person. So it's actually researching that person, taking my message, but applying it to them based on their industry and what they can see or what we can see on their digital footprint. So everybody gets a fully custom message, not just a template. It's really, really cool. And the best part is that I build a live dashboard. So instead of just going into all these different platforms, I can build an actual artifact inside Claude that shows my Jam HQ. So I have it tracking Apollo, I have it tracking my daily finances, I have it tracking my to-do lists and my skills. So I've created so many skills inside Claude that sometimes I forget to use them because we're all human, right? We have multiple skills for writing blogs, creating our email newsletters, whatever it is that you have to do, we can build a skill around, but the key is remembering to use it. So that's where I built this live dashboard, which is called an artifact. We're going over artifacts in our Zero to Claude training on day 23. Yeah, day 23. So join our Club Jam and check out our Zero to Claude if you haven't seen that yet. Okay. So I've been a Canva user for a really long time, but what happened is ChatGPT had a big comeback, and the comeback is all around AI image creation. So they came out with Image 2.0. So I used to go, say I'd create a newsletter and I needed a little graphic to go with it. I used to go to ChatGPT and say, okay, create this image for my blog carousel. Here's what I need. But now there's something called Kai, K-I-E, and it has the ChatGPT API. And so I can actually add it as an MCP inside Claude. I know that was a lot of acronyms, so if you're not following, just join our group. I'll help you. But anyways, I now can just create those ChatGPT images inside Claude. The whole goal is to not leave the Claude platform. The goal for me is to run my entire business through the CoWork platform at some point. I'm getting closer every week, but I'm not exactly there yet. Okay, and I mentioned skills, but here are some of the ones that I have that I need to use on pretty much an everyday basis. And so these are the things that are in my artifact or my Jam HQ dashboard. The other thing that's super important is I know I'm leading a learning community, so I even have higher standards about what I'm learning and what I'm sharing than most people. So I also use my AI OS to help me learn. I have specific people that I follow, I have websites that I follow, and YouTubes, and so I have learning skills where it will actually scrape that content and bring it to me and tell me what's actually necessary for me to know. All right, so here's kind of the whole thing on a screen. Claude, Substack for your newsletter, Skool if you have some sort of community or even a course, Stripe to take your payments, Instagram to kind of be your point of truth for your social media, meaning that's where you post, everything else is reposted, Vercel to launch all those amazing websites and landing pages, Apollo to do your business development, and ChatGPT to create those beautiful, very, very professional looking images. And then Repurpose.io and ManyChat, they didn't get a little logo, but don't forget those as well. So notice what's not on the list. We used to be, like just last year, I was doing keynotes going over 50 different AI tools out there. And just remember, this is all being cut down. And if I do this again in 6 months, I'm sure it'll be cut down even more remember, our goal is to work inside Claude and pull everything else into it. And Claude is really truly going to be your AI partner and your business partner. So make sure that you're training it on how you work, who you are, who your client is, what your systems are. And that's what we do inside Club Jam, specifically in our Zero to Claude training. And if you're not in already, go ahead and check it out. Last thing I want to say is that you are not behind. You are incredibly early on getting this all set up and learning about it. So I just want to congratulate you for being here. You don't have to be a coder, developer. All you have to know how to do is communicate to set up a really incredible AI operating system. Follow me for more on how to use AI and how to set up Claude specific for you and your business.